Hey guys, so for those of you who are new to this channel, hi, my name is Aline Kaur Chawla and welcome back to my YouTube channel. Are you all shocked to see a new vlog on my channel? So am I. Because I think एक साल बाद कोई vlog आ रहा है या maybe एक साल से भी ऊपर हो गया है. I'm not even sure, but it is what it is and we're back. Like I don't know कितना continue होगा या नहीं, or maybe this could be the only vlog, but yes, it is what it is and yeah, welcome to a new vlog. I think so last vlog से लेके इस vlog तक I've gained a lot of weight. First things first, and but it's okay, we could always lose it. Are you all wondering why are we vlogging today though? You might know it by the title of the video by now, but yes, we are vlogging because it is this little guy's 10th birthday. Happy birthday! Happy birthday baby, boy. So for his birthday we are going for a staycation for like 2 days. So it's the 31st of August today, so we would be out for 31st August and 1st of September. So we're going to this nearby resort that's called Fusion Resort. So yes, we will go there and see how the day turns out to be or how the next 2 days turn out to be, because it is Shizu's birthday और celebrate करना तो बनता है. Hi, happy birthday छोटू, happy birthday. For everybody who's a pet parent, उनको एक चीज़ पता है कि whenever you talk to your pets, your voice goes something like so चाची और सच्चू आ गए. Always the people who are always late.
Seriously, see who's talking, who's been always late.
नहीं, मैं तो पिछले 1.5-2 घंटे से ready हूँ and I've been waiting for these people, but punctuality, nobody cares about it. And we have reached Fusion. Hey guys, so it was kind of a blunder because we are at Fusion right now, but we are leaving because ये जगह बिल्कुल भी वैसी नहीं है जैसी इन्होंने फोटोज भेजी थी. प्लस फोटोज में बहुत बड़ी प्रॉपर्टी लग रही थी इनकी, वो प्रॉपर्टी भी बहुत छोटी है. इनका रेस्टोरेंट इज लाइक
पूरा
सन्नाटा है और अनहाइजीनिक ऐसा स्क्रीम कर रहा है यहाँ पे हर जगह. लाइक द रेस्टोरेंट इज ऑल शट, द टेबल्स एंड एवरीथिंग. एंड हमने कल एडवांस भी पे किया था, बट उन्होंने हमारा रूम भी बुक नहीं किया है यहाँ पे. नाउ दे आर लाइक वेट मोर, वी विल सी. तो अब हम, it's already like what 2:30 and if we wait more it's going to be a mess. So we had a second option, that's the Mount View Resort. So we will probably eat something now, like have lunch at some other place. फिर हम Mount View जाएंगे. अब चाची को लग रहा है क्यों जा रहे हैं, रहने देते, घर चलते हैं, फिर कल चल देंगे कहीं. But that's just so stupid. We will go today only. Oh my god. और प्लस इनका ये जो अंदर आने का वे, if you can see, that is also so bad. Like you have to keep the car very slow because it's a very uber-covered road and it's just so blah. But instead of cribbing, we can find solutions to save the day. We will do that. Hey guys, so now we are at this place called Dopamine for lunch, and some fashion show thing is going on here, and like the restaurant is not actually very operative right now, but we're still here. So that's one thing. और जो दूसरा resort option था हमारे पास, the Mount View Resort, उनके पास आज के कोई rooms ही available नहीं थे. The rooms were only available for tomorrow. So then Chachi didn't want to go to some other place today and go to some different place tomorrow. Fussy girl, you see. So we are going to the Grand Machel. So that's where we went for Shizu's birthday last year also, because we have very limited pet friendly places in Indore. So that's one thing. So we're going there again because that was the only sensible option we could find right now. So yes, once we're done with the lunch, we would go and like today, whatever remaining day we are left with, and kal ka pura din we are going to be there only. So let's see.
Shizu's lunchtime. Shizu अपना yummy क्या खा रही है? She's yummy टिक्की, vegetable टिक्की, healthy vegetable and rich टिक्की with curd.
I don't know if it's visible in the camera or not, पर बाहर बहुत तेज बारिश हो रही है and Shizu just loves watching rains and he just feeling like कि वो कूद जाए विंडो से और बाहर चले जाए. ई शीती.
Shizu.
Wow.
So this is mango coconut panna cotta. It's yum.
Oh my God, Shizu, panna cotta is yum.
He can't get
Hey,
over
birthday
it.
boy. So now we're gonna review the churros with Nutella. They're very hot. So good.
Let me feel.
I can feel the happy dance happening. Best place है उसकी सोने की. Best place to sleep. It's such a lazy, not at all a lazy day. It's such a hectic day now. हम ऑलमोस्ट 1 बजे से घर से निकले. It's 5:30 now. हम अभी तक कहीं नहीं पहुंचे. There is no staycation happening.
You know, long drive actually too long हो गई है.
I think the only staycation happening is in this car. And अब तो ऐसा लग रहा है बस कोई चाय दे दो प्लीज. So we have stopped for a chai break. और अब चाची is going to drive because I am just done driving the entire day. It's what 6 now. हम अभी तक नहीं पहुंचे. I don't know what staycation is this. पर अब शीजू भी पीछे चला गया है. शीजू hi.
Everyone is tired.
Wow, Shizu. But Shizu is still active. He just wants to look out of the window. Shizu, Shizu, आप टायर्ड नहीं हो रहे हो क्या बाहर देख देख के? ऐसा क्या है देखने के लिए इस दुनिया में? बताओ आप, क्या है ऐसा? क्या है ऐसा? कुछ नहीं है ऐसा. I think this vlog is something that can actually be titled as a day where almost everything went wrong. और
Don't copy my words. ये मैंने इसको बोला था अभी थोड़ी देर पहले.
एक ही बात है, मेरा तेरा क्या होता है. और अब मेरी फेस क्रीम ख़त्म थी. मैंने सचिन को बोला चाची से ले लेना और चाची ने भी फेस क्रीम नहीं दी तो हमारे पास फेस क्रीम
नहीं, मैं अपनी लेके आई हूँ.
जो अलग है.
Yeah.
क्या है यार? अगर वो पूछ लेती और आप पहले बोल देते तो अपन रास्ते से ले लेते.
That's a moisturizing cream.
No, I want my face moisturizer only.
आप ही का है.
पर वो वाला नहीं चाहिए मुझे. अब तो मतलब बस अंधेरा ही होने वाला है. I think so. I have stopped thinking at this point. I am not even thinking anymore. Oh, so we finally actually like reached. I don't know how, but yeah. शीजू, आपको याद है ये जगह? आप 2 times पहले आए हो. इधर देखो जल्दी से. डू यू रिमेम्बर दिस प्लेस? इज इट इन योर मेमोरी? मुझे तो किराया आ रहा है क्योंकि लास्ट टाइम भी गेम है. आई वाज सो नॉट सो बट इन माई हेड आई वाज वेरी स्लिम. आई पुट ऑन सो मच वेट. आई वाज क्राइंग. Perk about this place is that they have a lot of live activities going on. पर वही है कि like we are not fond of these swings or anything either. So let's see. But she didn't even turn it on and she's just smiling in the camera. So now we're going we are in the e-rick to, like, we're on the way to check out the rooms. Because last time I think we stayed in the normal room, but this time they're saying ki cottages and all are also available. So we'll just see which room do we like better and then get the booking done and check into the room. And then we got to be on our toes because it's Shizu's birthday! Shizu! Happy birthday! So in Shizu's language we say happy pada poo poo. So this one is the urban room. Seems nice. There is like an outside balcony seating also for the morning and evening tea though. Little wardrobe thing. Nice mirror thing. And the washroom. With like a shower thing. Not a panel because it's not a panel. And then mirror again! So the one on the ground floor was the urban room, and then the one on the floor above is the cottage room. So I will just show you. This is how they look from the outside. There is like a balcony thing, nice thing. Oh, so there are like 2 rooms on the same floor. Okay, got it. So this is how the cottage room looks like. I think there's an additional table. Then the washroom has an inbuilt wardrobe, mirror, shower. This seems quite good, right? Okay, if you say so. There wasn't a TV downstairs. There's a TV, mirror, and then the balcony is almost the same, I believe. Yep. So we're opting for the urban room only because the cottage one has very less lights. This is a very lightful, I don't know, lightful like that. This is a room with a lot of lights. So I think we'll be taking this one only because the upstairs one is very bhasanda. Yeah. So they gave us some welcome drinks. That was a sweet lime and chai as an option. I had chai, Chachi had sweet lime. We took one for Sashleen because she's still in the room and maybe outside the room, but yeah. And then yeah,